Hi you guys, welcome back to the video, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are doing some yoga in a local neighborhood. All right, let's roll out our mat and let's get started. So we're gonna start in tabletop. We're just gonna dive right into it today. And then you're gonna breathe in and out. And then you're going to have your toes touching the mat and you're gonna lift up your bum up with your legs. Okay. You're gonna hold 1, 2, and 3. All right. You're gonna go down, right into child's pose. You're gonna breathe in and out, in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. And we're gonna get into seated position. And then we're going to have our legs out and get into seated forward fold. You're gonna reach down, touch your toes as far as you can, bend your knees if need be. Do what feels good to you. Breathe in and out. You should breathe normal. I want you guys to feel relaxed and still working your muscles. And you're gonna slowly come up. All right. So I'm going to say Namaste. Now, Namaste means in Hindi, greetings to you, but in yoga class, it means I'm honored that you chose today to do yoga with me and come and choose this class today. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.